Section 600, the students are building a remotely operated vehicle. I like the fact that the project truly is multidisciplinary. Some students will come in really excited to do something in CS, and they will be building a control box, and they might decide to do some customization of the code within that control box. Other students are coming in really interested in mechanical or in naval, and are very excited to actually build the boat.
We do get a little bit into some naval architecture things like hydrostatics and hydrodynamics. However, we learn about design. You have to figure out how are you going to build a vehicle, how are you going to control it. So we talk about some basic electronics, and students will learn soldering. It's too much to do just on one person by yourself. So it is a team-based course, project-based. All engineering happens with people, all day long, teamwork. You have to be able to talk in a team, work with people. We've had students get internships solely because of their experience in this course.
They all have to integrate a unique component, a customized part for their design. I love the things that the students come up with.
When you get out to the deck,
one of the really unique things about this section is that we get to go down to the Marine Hydrodynamics Laboratory on Central Campus, and that's where we have these pretend risers. So there's these big giant columns. They're marked out in sectors, so you have to go find 5, 6, 7 different spots and look to see if there's any damage there. So we get them out, they can put their ROV in the water, practice driving it around.
Usually all of them can do the task, and each of them does it in a unique way, which is fun. Some of them might have been a little bit more efficient in how they did the task, but others have unique aspects like a Dr. Seuss component that we also want to be able to recognize. The relationships that get developed in a course like this are really important to students' retention in college.
This is where the innovation, this is where world-changing things come from. Whatever you're interested in, you will find some aspect of this project interesting. That's our goal with it. So everybody is very welcome.